What's going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5. This is the GPS only model with a 44mm screen and space gray with an aluminum casing with a product red sports band. So taking a look, we have the Apple Watch branding, and taking a look at the back, we got a new pull tab system because to save them on a production nightmare, we have two boxes now instead of one inside. So we do have, of course, the Apple Watch Series 5, putting that off to the side. Wish you could buy just the watch for people upgrading, but whatever, it's all good. And we do have the sports band and some packaging showing off the different colored overpriced bands that Apple does sell. Gotta love the Apple tax, right? And so once again, we have the product red sports band box, and let's take a look at the Series 5 first, because that's really what people came here to look at, right? So let's pull the tape off right there. And shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Let's open this box. I did have the Series 3 before this watch, and I had to get rid of it to buy this one. And it's one of those things where you don't realize how much you love something until you don't have it anymore. So of course we do have some literature which says designed by Apple in California, because hey, how else are you supposed to know it was made in or designed in by Apple in California? And we have our little charging cable, or coil, or whatever you want to call it. Let's open this packaging and show it off for people who haven't seen it. Whee! Okay, put that off to the side. We have a get started guide in our literature section, and put that off to the side. We do have our little power cube, which Apple insults us by thinking we're going to use. And we have our Series 5, which is going to be awesome with our little felt casing, and push that on out. And here is the fingerprint magnet itself in its fine new glory. And yes, this is going to get lots of fingerprints really quickly, as did my old watch. So taking a look, we have our band. Let's get that out of the box right away. So we just have a little pull tabs inside this little box here. So let's go ahead and pull this right on out and show you what you get with the sports band box. So of course we have Apple Watch on top. Tells you how to put it on correctly, because fun fact, I was putting it on incorrectly for almost a year until an Apple employee corrected me when I went to an Apple store in Seattle, because hey, you know, I'm a smart cookie, right? Okay, let's get this sports band out of the box. But before we do that, let's take a look. We have medium, large, and then small, medium for those of you with smaller wrists. This will be no problem for you. There should be a band that should fit anyone, because, you know, Apple doesn't like to exclude people. So let's get this out of the box right there. Push that more literature stuff out to the side. We can click these things into place right there. And come on, slide in. Come on, there you go. That's what she said. Okay, it's going to say bring near an iPhone. And good evening, start pairing. And I'm going to scan this little sci-fi looking barcode and line it up with my phone. Come on, there you go. I'm going to hit restore from backup for whatever reason. I have 3 backups, and it's going to connect. It's not going to restore right away. It's going to ask us a couple questions about setting up our watch. So let's go ahead and do that. Yes, I can share with Apple. That's okay. Okay for shared settings. I'm going to set up a passcode real quick. And I'm going to also set up activity off screen, just because there's lots of information to enter. So go ahead and hit set up activity. And I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to set up Apple Pay off screen as well. Emergency SOS, that's important in case anything bad were to happen to you. Clock faces, and the watch is syncing. So now it's going to say your watch is ready, press down on the digital crown. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. If you've enjoyed it, let me know by hitting that like button. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button. I have the link to my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing in the video description, along with my social media links. Let me know your thoughts on the Apple Watch Series 5 in the comment section below. And until next time, hope everyone has a wonderful day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.